Hi friends, today I am here to introduce you all to the new feature included in the PayMe India app, that is the pay rent option. So basically you can pay your rent through this option through PayMe India app. Pay rent, you are living on a rented house in a rented room in a PG. So anything, right? You can pay rent through us. So we'll click on pay rent thing. So now they are asking me how much rent do I need to pay. So I need to pay rupees 100. 100 it is written over there, and I'll click on proceed. So I will click on proceed with credit card, because credit card is the mandatory thing here. We will be paying rent through credit card, as if now we are doing it with through credit card, but in coming near future we can give you other options for the same too. So here they are asking me for my landlord's name. So my landlord's name I've written over here, and I'll click on proceed. So they want me to enter the landlord's bank account details, to which account I want to transfer the rent to. So here the landlord's account is HDFC. I have entered her account details over here, and I will be re-entering the account details. I am entering the details. I have entered the details. I have entered the IFSC code. Now I'll click on proceed. So now they are asking me for the address of the house in which I live in. Basically, the house address for which I pay rent to my landlord. So it is here, and I will click on proceed. So here is a summary, right? Payment summary, that is the rent amount is 100 rupees, and the service charge, that is 2.36 rupees. The rent amount that I have entered plus the service charge, that is 2% plus GST, right? This is what amount will be deducted. So the amount that will get transferred to my landlord's account will be the amount that we have entered in the starting, that is 100 rupees. So total payable amount is 100. Total payable amount to my landlord's account is 100 rupees. So here landlord's name and the bank details, bank account number, and all the things are there. So here all the details are here. Okay, now we can click on proceed to payment. So here they are asking me for my credit card details. So I'll be entering credit card details, right? We'll have to enter all the details, and we'll have to enter the correct details for the successful transaction. Right? And now they are asking me to enter my name. So I'll be entering my name here, so that the rent gets transferred to my landlord's account. So I'll be clicking on pay rupees 102. So this 2.30, I'll be entering the OTP. I've entered the OTP. So paid to Gitanjali Khanna, that is, it is in process, and in process means the amount will be transferred to, if we have some query related to, how my rent will be transferred and in what time my rent will be transferred. So here are some FAQs that you can go through. Maybe your queries that you have in your mind, see in what time and up to when and how much amount, whatever the queries you have. So here are some FAQs you can go through and you can have the answers for the same. And if you have any problem, right, if you have any query and if you have any question that is not there in the FAQs, you can mail us to payrent@paymeindia.in. So if your query is about this new feature of Payrent, then you can mail us to payrent@paymeindia.in. I hope I hope the information was helpful for you guys, and we would like you to give us views about it, and we would like you to use this new feature of Pay Me India, that is Pay Rent, and pay your rent to your landlord using this very nice feature of Pay Me India. Thank you so much.